Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're embarking on an incredible journey to a land of ancient history, vibrant culture, and surprisingly, some of the most dramatic and diverse landscapes on Earth. We're talking about Iran, a country that often conjures images of bustling bazaars and magnificent mosques, but is also home to towering mountains, vast deserts, and life-giving rivers and lakes. So buckle up as we explore the stunning natural wonders of Iran. Let's start with the mountains, the very backbone of the country. Iran is a land defined by its high altitudes. The two major mountain ranges are the Alborz in the north and the Zagros in the west. The Alborz range acts like a massive wall separating the Caspian Sea from the central plateau. It's here that we find the highest peak in the entire Middle East, the majestic Mount Damavand. Standing at over 5,600 meters, this dormant volcano is a true icon of Iran. Capped with snow for most of the year, its perfect cone shape has inspired Persian mythology and poetry for centuries. For hikers and mountaineers, Damavand is a legendary challenge, offering breathtaking views from its summit. The Alborz range isn't just about Damavand, though. It's a world of lush green valleys, dense forests, and picturesque villages, a stark contrast to the arid lands to its south. Stretching for over 1,500 kilometers from the northwest down to the Persian Gulf, the Zagros Mountains are even more extensive. These are rugged, folded mountains, sculpted by time, creating a dramatic landscape of parallel ridges and deep valleys. The Zagros are the ancestral home of many of Iran's nomadic tribes, who for generations have practiced transhumance, moving their livestock between summer and winter pastures. With winding roads that reveal stunning vistas at every turn. Hidden within its remote valleys. Now, let's descend from the peaks and venture into the heart of the Iranian plateau, into the realm of the deserts. Iran is home to two of the world's most spectacular and formidable deserts, the Dasht-i Kavir and the Dasht-i-Lot. The Dasht-i Kavir, or the Great Salt Desert, is a vast expanse of salt flats, mud, and sand, only to quickly evaporate under the intense sun, leaving behind a crust of shimmering salt crystals that stretch to the horizon. Exploring its fringes, you can find incredible desert oases and historic caravanserai, ancient roadside inns that once provided shelter to merchants traveling the Silk Road. But for a truly otherworldly experience, we must go to the Dasht-i-Lut, the Lut Desert. This is one of the hottest and driest places on the planet. In fact, surface temperatures here have been recorded as the highest ever on Earth. But the heat has created something spectacular. Over millennia, the wind has sculpted the landscape into incredible formations called calottes. These are massive sand ridges and yardangs that rise from the desert floor, creating a surreal cityscape that looks like it belongs on another planet. Is a truly spiritual experience. Despite its extreme conditions, the Lut Desert was recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its exceptional natural value. From the arid deserts, you might wonder where the water is. Iran's rivers are the lifelines of the country. Originating in the Zagros Mountains, it flows south, Khuzestan Plain before emptying into the Persian Gulf. The Karun is the only navigable river in Iran and has been vital for trade and agriculture for millennia, supporting cities like Alborz. Another significant river is the Zand-e-Rud, which means the life-giving river. The historic bridges of Isfahan, like the Caillou and Co-Sepal, were built not just to cross the water, but to celebrate it, acting as gathering places for citizens for centuries. Sadly, due to climate change and water management challenges, the Zand-e-Rud now runs dry for parts of the year, a stark reminder of the preciousness of water in this region. Flowing through a region of stunning mountain scenery and historical importance, including ancient churches and monasteries perched on its cliffs. These rivers, large and small, are the arteries that sustain life across the country. Finally, let's talk about Iran's lakes. The most famous is undoubtedly the Caspian Sea. Though called a sea, it is the world's largest inland body of water, a massive lake. Here, you'll find a humid subtropical climate, lush rice paddies, tea plantations, and dense forests that climb the slopes of the Alborz Mountains. This region is a favorite holiday destination for Iranians, offering beautiful beaches and delicious local cuisine, famous for its unique seafood and use of fresh herbs. The Caspian is also renowned for its sturgeon, the source of the world's finest caviar, although overfishing has put this ancient fish at risk. A vibrant ecosystem that supported flamingos and pelicans. To a fraction of its former size. This environmental disaster has had a devastating impact on the region's climate and agriculture. However, there are now major national and international efforts underway to restore Lake Urmia, a hopeful sign that this natural treasure might one day be revived. From the turquoise waters of Lake Nior in the mountains near Ardebol to the seasonal salt lakes that appear in the desert, each has its own unique character and charm. From the snow-capped peak of Damavand and the rugged passes of the Zagros, to the surreal calottes of the Lut Desert and the lush shores of the Caspian Sea, Iran's natural beauty is as profound and as captivating as its rich history and culture. It's a country of incredible contrasts. And more to appreciate about our world. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual expedition. I hope it's inspired you to look at Iran in a new light. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time.